Hello friends, welcome back. In this quick session, we'll understand what is AI agent all about. Many are talking about it and this is the buzzword right now in the market, and we are going to give you insights about what is AI agent and what not is AI agent. It's going to be a quick fire session. Let's define it first. An AI agent is a smart system that can observe, that can think and can act. It is like a brilliant human. We can observe, we can think, and we can act. Same is the case. The AI agent can observe what's happening around it. Then it can think about the best action which can be taken. And it acts to complete the task. An example could be very easy here for you to understand. A self-driving car sees the road, decides when to stop or turn, and it can drive safely. Another simple example, we are using Siri or Alexa, which can listen to your voice or command and understands your request and gives the answer as per our expectation. It is like a helper who is intelligent, who can learn and make decisions, and it will not need constant inputs from human. So, to make it very simple, AI agent is a smart system that observes, that thinks, and can act without your consistent intervention. We will get into the key characteristics of AI agents. What are the key characteristics exhibited by AI agents? First one, it is autonomous. It operates with minimal human intervention. AI agents can function independently without requiring continuous human control. They make decisions based on their observations and learn data. Please understand the point here. They observe. Once programmed, AI agents can self-execute tasks without manual inputs. For example, a robot vacuum cleaner navigates around a home, avoiding obstacles and cleaning without human guidance. Second, it's reactive and proactive. The AI agents can respond to changes and it can plan well ahead. AI agents respond immediately to the changes in the environment and they anticipate future needs and adjust actions accordingly. For example, Google Assistant suggests leaving early for a meeting based on the live traffic data. They act and they are proactive as well. Then they are goal oriented. They work towards achieving predefined targets. What it means? AI agents focus on achieving a specific goal rather than random actions. They optimize performance based on set of rules, models, or learning processes. For an instance, a self-driving car aims to transport passengers safely, following all the traffic rules, detecting pedestrians and avoiding obstacles. And finally, AI agents are very adaptive. They learn from the data and they improve over time. The best feature is that they improve. AI agents evolve by learning from the past experiences, user interactions, or new data. They modify their behavior and improve accuracy over time. For an instance, the Netflix recommendation system learns from the user preferences and adapts to suggest better movies or shows as per the expectation. So, they are autonomous, they are reactive and proactive, they are goal oriented, they are adaptive too. Alright. Next thing to understand is the types of AI agents. There are 5 types. Simple reflex agents, model based agents, goal based agents, utility based agents, and learning agents. What is the simple reflex agents? It is just like acting on if then rules. For example, automatic room lights are the best example here. If the motion is detected, then turn on the light. Simple, right? That's it. Second, model based agents. It will maintain a memory of the past states. Self-driving car is the best example here. Then goal based. It will choose the action based on the objective. The chess AI is the simple example. Utility based agents. It considers the rewards and best outcomes. For example, for stock trading bots, this can be easily related. Learning agents. It can improve the performance using ML. The chat GPT, the recommendation systems, all these gets improved over a period of time. And then comes real life examples. The first one is Siri and Alexa, natural language AI agents. They listen to the user commands through speech recognition. They process the language using NLP. They understand the intent and retrieves the correct answers or perform actions. We can be called Siri and Alexa as AI agent. It interacts using human language, not just commands. It learns from the previous conversations to improve responses. Using ML models like the GPT, BERT, and automatic speech recognition, they enhance the understanding. So, They are called as agents. They listen, they interact, they improve. So they are qualified to be AI agent. Second is the self-driving car. They are model-based AI agents. They use sensor, camera, lidar, all these things to understand the surroundings. Builds an internal model of the environment to predict what could be the next move. They use the AI algorithms to navigate the road safely. Why do we call it as a model-based AI agent? Simple, it doesn't react instantly, but remembers and predicts the future scenarios. It builds a detailed map of the road, vehicles, and pedestrians to make informed driving decisions. It also uses path planning, object detection, and behavioral cloning AI models. For an instance, if a car detects an obstacle ahead, it doesn't just stop, but predicts alternate safe routes using its internal model. Hence, it can get qualified to be called as an AI agent, and in this case, we call it as model-based AI agent. Next comes Google Search Ranker. Learning agent for SEO is what we call it as. It analyzes billions of web pages to rank the most relevant search results. It can use the models like the RankBrain, BERT, MUM to refine the search accuracy. It also learns from the user interactions. See, it analyzes, it learns from the user, it also understands what he wants. All these things are going to make it qualified as an agent. Why is it a learning agent? First thing, again, it adapts dynamically. Second, it modifies the search algorithms over a period of time. Third, it uses AI-driven NLP and deep learning for search relevance. So, it can be qualified as a learning agent. Finally, fraud detection systems. We have got utility-based AI agent in this, right? So, how it works? It monitors the financial transactions real time. It assigns a fraud risk score based on the location, amount, spending habits, devices used, etc. If the utility function, here in this case the fraud score, is high, it can as well go ahead and block the transaction and allow the user. Why is it a utility-based AI? It weighs different risk factors rather than following simple rules. It calculates the best action. See, it observes, calculates, and then it uses ML algorithms like the decision trees, neural networks, anomaly detection models to detect and to take corresponding action. If a credit card is used in two different countries within an hour, the AI can assess the risk and can decline the transaction, and there it saves people. So, these real-time examples can make you understand things better. What AI agents are not? Please understand, they are not just rule-based systems. They are very flexible, they adapt, and they learn. They keep updating. They are not conscious entities. AI doesn't think like humans. It follows only the mathematical models. Trust me, it's just mathematical models. Not always perfect. AI agents can also be biased or incorrect. Please understand that AI is still improving. They cannot be always 100% perfect. And it is not a magic. They require training, they require algorithms, mathematics, and most importantly, data to function. So, AI agents are not magical. A question for you right now. Is Netflix recommendation system a utility-based AI or a learning agent? Answer that in the comment line. I'll be very happy to look into it and see if your answer is right or wrong. With that note, I take leave and I'll come and meet you with a different topic shortly. Thank you.